WhatsApp unsupported file type problem. Fix it. Hello viewers, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix WhatsApp PDF unsupported file type problem. Okay, now solve this problem. Then follow my all steps. First step will go to Play Store. Click on Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Click on this. Now you can see is already updated. Now back to home screen and go to your settings. Click on settings. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Now click on search bar. Search for Google Play service. Click on this. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache and click on clear data. Now click on set as default. Enable this. Now back. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Click on permissions. Make sure all permissions enabled. Now back to home screen and go to your WhatsApp. I hope your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.